Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to Sylvie.
Happy birthday to Sylvie.
Emily?
Make a cake to Sylvie. Cake to old. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to old. Happy birthday!
Who are we singing it to again? Whose birthday is it? Whose birthday is it? Well, we've lost the kids. Happy birthday.